Good morning. Today is Monday, December 15th, 2025. I am here at Golden Creek Marina. This is slip 27. This is the unnamed Monterey. The two outboards that are on it. Right now I'm just updating the zincs and making sure that we know exactly what we're dealing with if anything does come up where we need to get new zincs on the boat. We have two Mercury 300 outboards, and for zincs on the trim tabs we have two R4 trim tab zincs. I didn't see any other zincs on the boat, but I'm gonna go ahead and swim it and see if anything pops out at me again. So let's go ahead and check out these zincs and then swim the boat. Using DS guide.